Hello students, last video we completed rule 1, 2 and 3. In this video I am going to introduce rule 4 and 5. Exponents, class 2. Let's revise class 1 once. A power 0, rule 1, a power 0 equal to 1. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. A power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. These three rules we discussed in the previous session. Coming to class 2. Rule 4. Once observe here, a power 5 into b power 5. A power 5 into b power 5. If you are observing here, base is a and here base is b. And exponent is 5, here also exponent is 5. So exponents, that's powers equal and base is different. Once look at into the general model, a power 5 can be written as a multiplied by 5 times. Next b power 5, that is b multiplied by 5 times. Next, what I am going to do? Multiply it. Multiply both a power 5 and b power 5. It is b power 5. A power 5 into b power 5, both I am multiplying here. Here 5 is I written here and b I written here. A power 5 into b power 5. Here a and b, multiply a and b here, ab, and here also ab, and here also a b, and here a b, and here also a b. I written a and b separately, ab into ab into ab into ab into ab. How many times it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is ab multiplied by 5 times. That can be written as ab whole power 5. This is the answer. This is a general method. Rule 4 is a power m into b power m, bases different powers equal to a into b whole power m. Here also same, a into b whole power 5. Next one, rule 5. General example I taken here, that is we need to find out the value of a power 5 by b power 5, that is the bases different and powers equal. Same, a power 5 can be written as a multiplied by 5 times, b power 5 can be written as b multiplied by 5 times. Next, divide both a power 5 and b power 5. Then a power 5 by b power 5 equal to a multiplied by 5 times and b multiplied by 5 times. I separated here a by b, 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 and a by b here. A by b, a into a by b into a by b into a by b into a by b. That is a by b multiplied by 5 times. That is that a by b whole power 5. We can write that one as a by b whole power 5. According to this one, rule 5 is a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. That is powers equal and bases different. That is rule 5. Once observe the rules here, video 1 and this video. A power 0 equal to 1. When we are using, when power is 0. Power is 0. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here, if you are observing here, bases equal and powers different. There is equal bases and different powers. That should be under the multiplication. Next, a power m by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Same, it is in the division and it is in the multiplication. Equal bases, different powers and division it is. A by b, this should be there, then only you can use this formula. And next one, a power m into b power m equal to ab whole power m. That is ab whole power m. Next one, here what? AB bases are different, powers are equal. That is, base is different, equal powers, and that should be in the, under the multiplication. Next one, a power m by b power m equal to a by b whole power m. That is a power m by b power m. That is the division, powers same, and bases different. Bases different, equal powers, and that should be in the division form. Yeah, practice the problems here. 2020 power 10 minus 10 is what? 10 square into 10 cube. 24 power 4 by 24 square. Bases equal here. Check whether what is the formula that you are using. You should check once. Then you can simplify it. 31 power 4 into 13 power 4. 5 power 3 by 6 power 3 equal to question mark. Okay students, listen to this video, and if you are having any doubts you can contact me. Thank you students.